Welcome to day 2 of the 30 Day Self-Trust Challenge with myself, Kathy Richards, registered dietitian. Self-trust often breaks because we're taught to override ourselves. Diets, productivity culture, being good. If you don't trust yourself, it's not a personal failure, it's a learned survival strategy. So the invitation today is to stop and write down one place you've learned to ignore your body. And I'll share a few examples that I see in the work that I do with my clients daily. So one would be not stopping to go to the washroom when you really need to go because you just want to finish one more task. Another one might be going to bed hungry because you're on a diet plan, you've hit your macro or calorie intake for the day, and you feel like that's all you can do. Where, caloric intake and calorie needs can change based on activity level, sleep, stress. There's so many different factors that come into it. That's why diets don't work long term. But if we're on a diet plan, we might be um, not trusting our body when it gives us that feedback. Okay, so the invitation again for day 2 of my 30-day self-trust challenge is to write down one place you learned to ignore your body and come back tomorrow for day 3.